What's up, y'all? We've got something real special today, a non-dairy version, in fact, a vegan version of the famous Arby's JaMocha Milkshake. Throughout this video, I keep referring to it as the Chick-fil-A JaMocha Milkshake, but it is in fact Arby's that originally offers this product. So for this recipe, you'll need two ingredients only. The first one is Jaggery, which is a minimally refined cane sugar product from India. And the second is frozen bananas. I'll put a link in the description so you can pick up some Jaggery off of Amazon if you don't know where to find it locally near you. What's up, guys? I just opened up this package of Jaggery, and the first thing that you notice when you open the package is the distinct smell of brown sugar, but even stronger than the brown sugar smell that you would get if you bought brown sugar at the grocery store. Take a look at that, get a close-up on it. This is still in a vacuum sealed package, and I can smell it. This is 2 pounds of Jaggery right here. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open so you can see what it looks like. Give you guys a close-up. Check out the Sanrenmu 710, 7010, classic right there. Chinese made knife, on the cheap, high quality, high value. Yeah, so take a look at that. Take a look at that cane sugar Jaggery right there. So now that I've cut into the package, it smells so strong. It's almost just, I'm standing outside and I can smell it so strongly right now. Take out a piece so you can get a close-up of what this looks like. One of the reasons I like this product is because of the shape. It's sold in these blocks, which are small enough to throw in a smoothie cup. Unlike the traditional way it's sold in sold in a large ball, and you have to cut it up, and it's pretty firm. It's not easy to cut, and when you cut into it, a lot of times it breaks up. So this is a great way to get it and use it, especially if you're going to make smoothies out of it. Look for these smaller blocks. Take a look at that. You can see it glistening in the sun. As soon as I open the package, the vacuum sealed package, I'm standing outside, and I can just smell the distinct smell of deep brown sugar. That's how potent this stuff is, and it provides a deep caramel, almost mocha-like flavor to anything you add it to. All right, like I said, this is why I like buying the Jaggery in the form of these smaller blocks, because you can throw them right in the smoothie cup. It's easier to portion. So what you're looking at is about 3.5 blocks of Jaggery, probably about 4 or 5 ounces of sugar total. You see it going in the smoothie. What I like to do is cover the Jaggery with water and let it soak. It doesn't need to soak all night, but overnight is ideal. I'm probably going to let this soak for about 15 or 30 minutes because I'm going to run out this morning. But the longer that it soaks, the more that water will get in there, and it'll blend up even better consistency when you go ahead and make your smoothie. So that's what I like to do, is soak the Jaggery, because it is low in moisture content, and it's like a rock. But if you have a high-powered blender, even if you don't have any time to soak it, you can still blend it and break it up, because those blenders are made to blend ice cubes. So it's still just a big block of sugar. I'm gonna let it soak for a little while, and then we're gonna make a smoothie. All right, so here we've got this Jaggery has been soaking for about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, and as you can see, that liquid has gotten darker because the sugar is getting absorbed by the water. And what I've got here is a bunch of frozen banana pieces that I froze the other night. So we're just gonna stack these up. Put a bunch of frozen bananas in here, and this is the recipe, y'all. It's relatively simple. I don't add anything else because the Jaggery has such a strong caramel brown sugar flavor that it makes it taste like a Chick-fil-A JaMocha Milkshake, if you've ever had that. But obviously this is vegan and dairy free. So my strong advice is to avoid adding anything like blueberries or raisins or you can get away with dates, but honestly I wouldn't do it because it will add kind of a fruity, tangy, especially berries, will add a tangy, tart flavor to this that does not mesh well with the Jaggery and that caramel flavor that it brings. So if you want the caramel milkshake flavor, just run the Jaggery and some frozen bananas and don't add any berries or raisins or anything else to it. All right, y'all, let me get this blended up and we'll take a look. There it is, y'all, the vegan version of the Chick-fil-A JaMocha Milkshake. It's got that deep caramel ice cream flavor, and depending on how much water you add, you can make it more like a milkshake consistency or more like an ice cream. This one is somewhere in between, but I can't wait to dig into this. So feel free to try this recipe. If you've ever wanted a Chick-fil-A JaMocha Milkshake since you've been vegan but you didn't know how to create it, these two ingredients is all you need. All right, thanks for watching, y'all.